Hey guys, I'm Kirk Holding with the Living in Spokane, North Idaho team, and today we're at a great one here in Post Falls. We've got a nice open living room with a huge great room flowing nicely to the, got the living room, kitchen, dining. Again, just an open feeling space here with the tall ceilings. We got several windows up here letting tons of light in, as well as 2 double door sliding patios letting light in as well there. Another thing we like is the gas fireplace off the living room, but again, can't say enough how spacious it feels here with the tall ceilings and the awesome elk mounts too. But this one's 2019 built, 2,200 square feet, 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath, coming in at $575 of a price on this one. It'll hit the market this week. Can't wait to show you this one, and we're gonna get to it right now. Thanks for sticking around to the end. One last thing I wanted to highlight that's kind of special on this one is if you're in a neighborhood, it's harder to find room to build a shop or storage shed. This one's got a great storage shed, pretty big. It's 11 by 15, concrete floor, stick framed, insulated, and it's got power. So again, harder to find in some of these neighborhood settings because the lots are smaller. And then also they put a ton of money into the backyard. We'll have some patio shots, but you've got paver patio all the way to the back with the hot tub as well. Just really set up nice for entertaining. Thanks again for sticking around to the end of the video. If you have any interest, shoot us a text, send us an email, or give us a call. Thank you.